Hi everyone, it's Carrie here. Welcome to our craft today on day one of Animal Planet. Today we are going to make paper chain snake craft. So this is going to be fun. I'm excited. You don't need too many materials, but let's see what we need. We need some scissors. We need some crayons. And then we're going to need something to secure our paper chain together. So I'm going to use a stapler, and you can ask your mom and your dad to help you with this. Or you can use some glue, or you can use some tape. We'll see what works best. So then we need some paper. I'm going to make a green snake, so I have green construction paper. And I think you're going to need about 3 pieces. And then I'm also going to have a little tongue sticking out. So I want to do something either red or orange. I've got an orange piece right here for that. All right, I think we're ready. So let's start by making our paper chain strips. So to do this, I'm going to take 2 of my pieces of paper. I'm going to just put them together like this. And then I'm going to want to cut 5 different strips in here. So let's figure out how to best do this. I might use my crayon to mark it first. Let's see. So if we need 5 strips, let's do 1 here, 2. Maybe we'll do 6. I think we should do 6. Okay, yeah, I think we should do 6 strips. So in order to do that, it's going to be easier. I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to cut right down the middle. Again, I've got 2 pieces of paper here, so that's just going to make it easier if I can cut out more at one time. Okay. So now I've got these. I'm going to put them on top of each other. And now I'm going to cut 2 more down here. So that will make 6 different strips for each piece of paper. So I will have 12 strips total. One cut here. There we go. That looks like a perfect size. And then one more here. There we go. All right, so I have 12 strips of paper for my paper chain. I'm going to put them to the side here. And now I'm going to make the head and the tail with my last piece of green paper. Now, what this should look like, it should be like kind of like a paper chain strip like this, but then we want to make sure that we have like a more of an oval up here for the head. So I'm just going to kind of draw this out and see what happens. I'm taking my strip here just to measure it a little bit. So let's pretend we go up here, and then we want kind of a oval type head that has a bit of a pointed nose and then goes back around and up. This actually looks more like a spoon. This is what I drew. It does look like a spoon. That's a good way that we can reference this. And then I need one other one on here for the tail. Now the tail, I'm just going to kind of make it narrow and then point. Make it narrow and then point. Cool. All right, so there's my tail. Awesome. All right, let's cut these out. There's my little spoon type thing. All right. It really does look like a spoon. Okay. There it is. And then that's here. Points, and then turn it back around. Awesome. All right, I've got all my pieces. Let's put the trash away. Now I get to decorate. All right, ooh. Got all my strips of paper to decorate, and then my head and my tail. So that's where we need our crayons. Let's see what colors we have. All right, I think I've decided I'm going to do some dots and then some zigzags. So I'm going to do zigzags, and I think I'm going to do zigzags on half of them and then dots on the other half. So let's do blue zigzags, maybe red dots. Okay, let's do some more of these. Zigzag and then a dot. You can these however you want to also. Zigzag and then dot. Since I'm doing one and then the other, I think by the end of this I should have 6 pieces with the dots and 6 pieces with the zigzags. So I have 12 strips total. Okay. This calendar. I might have doubled up. Aha, there we go. Don't miss that. All right, one last zigzag. And then one last dots. Cool. All right, now I need to move on to decorating my head and my tail. I definitely want eyes on my snake, so I'm going to take a black crayon and then do... I'm trying to make them look like a little beady eyes, so maybe I want some yellow in there too. Get my yellow crayon. I like the yellow crayon. It's alright, it'll work. Alright, so we got some black and some yellow. And then I'm also going to do, dots on his head. So there he is. I just have eyes. And then I might also do a little nose. And then we're going to put the tongue sticking out. So cool. All right. And now let's do the tail. All right. Let's do zigzags. Maybe some dots in between. Like a fancy tail. Oh, some dots on the end. There we go. All right, I'm ready to start connecting it. Let's start with the head. So I'm going to wrap this around, and then I'm going to secure it right here with staple. Yes. Cool. And now I'm going to do this in a pattern. So I'm going to do a zigzag, and then a dot, and then a zigzag, and then a dot. So we'll start with our first zigzag. And then staple. Now let's do our dot. Put the dot part through the zigzag part, wrap it around, and staple. Cool. Let's keep going. Zigzag. Circle. It's getting longer and longer. Let's see how long the snake that is made with 12 strips is. You could make a really long one too if you had some more paper. Cool. And you can see, since I did my pattern, I've got all the dots on the top and the zigzags are on the side. Cool. Zigzag. And then dots. Zigzags. And then dots. All right. Almost done. Zigzags. And then our last dots. Then we have the tail. You know what? I think I'm going to forget my last dots because I think it's going to lay a little bit better if I use this as my last piece. So tail's down instead of going curved like this. So I'm going to put my tail through. I'm going to leave a little bit sticking out so it's not quite as tight as the other ones. More like the head we did. Staple this. And there's my snake. One last step. He needs a tongue. So again, I'm just going to kind of draw it out and we'll see what it looks like. When I've seen snakes' tongues, they have like two little points that are sticking out. So let's make sure we draw them too. That's what I drew. Red little tongue. Let's cut it out. Almost done. There it is. And let's see if my staple will work. You could also probably use glue for this. I think that's a good idea too. Ta-da! Here he is. I love this. This is so cool. Hope you guys enjoyed making your snake craft today and enjoy your time on the rest of your animal adventure.